Hey again, we are now in the part 2. I'm really talking to only my Group B students. So I went over the long instructions for today. As you see, inside of the module is the handout. It is the part 4, and it's the inference review and a long walk to water. So this you already have, okay? We did this, but in case you've forgotten, I just put it in here so if you need anything, it's there. But again, all you really need, it says only use this if you haven't started. If you have started, go back and find your own copy. If you want to share it with me, share it with me, okay? So now I'm going to go back because I know I have other work to do. So again, I can just click back. Now, it's going to take a second and it'll drop down. Here we go. So this is what we have not done. Here, okay, this, if you open up, this is for 7-1, RL 7-1, part 4. It is pages 48 and 49. The text is what we've already kind of read last week, the ransom of the Red Chief. So again, read the entire text and answer the 3 questions. Make sure in this one, you use textual evidence, what we talked about. Remember how to make an inference, how to support it with textual evidence, explicit textual evidence, and make sure you use correct punctuation. So quotation marks. Please remember, that's what I'm looking for. It is a grade. It is a grade for right and wrong. Answer these 2 as well. Take your time. Make sure it makes sense. Think about, what am I thinking about? I need to think about the explanation of something. What are the changes? How do I look at that? What do I need to get from the evidence to support my answer? Okay, this is for right and wrong. When you get here, okay, it says go back into the same module and find the assignment under Group A, face-to-face. Click into it and use this. It is called Part 4, RL 7-1, pages 48 and 49. So that means that this is my information to go back into, watch me, to Group A's face-to-face assignment because I don't need to have 2 of the same assignment. So as it scrolls down, I'm in Group A, even though you're Group B, but I'm finding it for you. Going down, this is my assignment, RL 7-1. Okay, so it tells me this is where I need to submit my work and open it. So as I open it, like I said, this is a grade for all students. This is what you open, and even my face-to-face will be doing it too. So you open, and again, it's going to open into a file on a new page, and for you to upload it to DocCo and to annotate, you are going to have to use this little button, and it's going to open into that new browser. Okay, and then it's going to ask us, how do we want to open this file? Of course, open with .cub, and it's going to open, and we already know how to use this. Now, if you are struggling and you can't figure this part out, just do it here, take a photo, and email me. Also, once you are here and you figured this out and you know how to do it, share it with me. And my email is in there, so it's sarah.craxtoniss.k12.nc.us. Awesome. So that is due today. My Group B, this is due today. So I'm going to go back. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to click next. I know that I have one more thing to do. Okay. I've worked on my thing from Thursday and Friday. I've made sure that's done. I have finished Part 4, RL 7-1, and now I'm ready to watch the videos and understand what I'm kind of doing at school with a long walk to water text. This is a book that we're using to understand inferences. So I'm going to go back out to modules. I'm going to then get to the same module, and I'm going to understand what the last thing is for Group B. And it says a long walk to water. Actually, I'm so sorry. This is an inference review. This is the same thing we did on Friday. Go ahead and look into it and do the Google form. And then here's a long walk to water. And I want you to read and watch the videos on the text. Open the things, read every single piece to this, and it tells you exactly.